Right. Today, I wanna share some my thoughts on the very interesting report that published by ARK investment firm. It's a report they outline in the some big ideas in 2021. In fact, it's more like their predictions about the future, about next decade. So I think that will be very interesting if we can go through some of the ideas. I'm planning to make a series of videos about this. And today's topic is about gaming in the virtual world. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. So the report 24, page 24, virtual worlds. Their prediction is video games are becoming the third place away from home and the work. The third place means like usually in the past people either working in the office or staying home doing some other things. So like Starbucks, they claim they are the third place for people that you can just go. That's other than the workplace and the home. And in this report, I think this is also a very interesting concept. The third place is another dimension of your life, which is gaming. And even most of people play games at home, but effectively you are not at home when you are playing that. You are in the online world, you are in the virtual world. So that's how they say it. And their prediction for the next decades, they think in the next 5 years, the time the average person spend on a game and on a virtual world gaming will increase from 1.1 hours to 1.5, which is quite a lot of jump. And because of more people, more time that people spending in game, so the monetization of the game will just increase as well. That means more people spend money for games, in-game revenue, more like people doing some purchasing in game, for example, some online game, pay to win stuff. And they predict the compound rate will be compounding growth rate will be 21%. This is really huge. 21% compound rate, compound growth rate. That's insanely high. Even the base of gaming revenue already is super high, but they will still be increasing continuously. By the 2025, you will be 350 billion. In fact, the game industry now is bigger than the movie industry and what else? Movie industries and some other another one industry I forgot, but it's super big. So this is the first insight. And second insight, I want to bring you to the VR. Like it says, many big tech companies are investing in VR. They are actively developing a lot of stuff, and they feel by 2030 the VR market will increase 130 times from 1 billion to 130 billion. For these predictions, I don't really agree with that. I think that's too broad. That's too not really easy to predict, because now, like AR, if you remember Google Glasses, it sounds pretty cool idea, but it's not that practical, and it's not practical, and the technology knowledge is just not mature yet, and we are certainly not sure when will AR technology be really mature. Maybe will be mature in next 5 years, 10 years, or even not, right? We don't know. So this prediction is too It's bored. It's too bored, and bored as well. Okay. Anyway, so I don't really think this is a prediction that will happen. And as for the virtual reality, I think that's interesting. Their prediction is virtual reality, AR plus VR will grow 80, 50, almost 60 compound annual rate. That's a lot, from 3 billion to 28 billion. I believe VR will, because I would already see the promises the VR delivered in recent few years, and see personally witnessing adoption rates increasing. So I do believe VR will have a very, very good decade from 2020 to 2030. And VR, I'm just not sure. For the global gaming market, their prediction is it will have 16% compound annual growth rate. That's also not bad. Consider its base already super big, right? So that's quite good insight. Gaming industry will continue growing, and the VR and the AR has a very promising decades. But I personally think VR is more promising than AR so far. Just one concern is VR is more like a gaming console. Not really. I don't see the potential use cases that much. How VR can develop as a mobile phone, like a mobile phone adoption. So far, I don't see that much use cases, use scenarios. So anyway, that's my prediction. That's my thoughts on this report, and I'm planning to make more videos like this. And this report's over 114 pages. So if you would like to receive more analysis and my thoughts like this, don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I will see you next time.